The 420, the Criminal Law and Legal Reasoning course, is a required course in the criminal justice program. Part of the 420 course is dealing with the anxiety that is involved with something new. It doesn't mean you're going to do poorly grade-wise. What it means is it's going to be new and it's going to be a learning experience, which means it will probably take a while till you feel comfortable. So we try to teach them about finding cases and reading cases and finding law reviews and reading law reviews, not for the sake of just doing it, but for the sake of taking that information to solve problems again. And what we're doing is doing it through multiple exercises. I'm not really interested in the grade here. I'm interested in you developing the skill. So we have the ability for these research exercises for them to reflect on it and redo them, with the goal being at the end of the term, they actually are relatively conversant in cases. If they were in an agency and a case came down from the Supreme Court and someone in the agency said, "Oh my gosh, could you tell us how this case impacts the agency?" My student wouldn't say, "Oh, well, I don't know. I hope I can find it in a textbook somewhere and they can explain it." No. The student would feel comfortable. I can read the case. I can tell you about the majority opinion. I can tell you about what the concurring opinion is. Then there was an alternative view in the dissent, and I can break the case down and talk about it. That's an advantage. They're going to look so much better in the agency, being able to do that. That's going to differentiate them. It's going to build confidence. So we work on that in the class, but we don't expect people coming in with anything. The end is they develop confidence in oral articulation. They develop some research skills. They see a problem. They see how information is used to solve a problem, as opposed to information is used to find some already developed answer. And it's just a question if you can find your way through the labyrinth to get the answer. So the goals of the 420 are different. We're trying to develop some basic skills, some confidence level. And again, we have a lot of individual projects and a lot of encouragement about coming up to the office and talking with me about things. My name is Bob Lockwood, and I will be your professor.